Hello and welcome. Welcome to Reimagine Life Phase 2. Today on day 26, we will focus on using a solar vortex to raise your vibration. We are solar beings. Our earth needs sunlight. Everything on earth needs sunlight. Our energy systems need sunlight. Different parts of our body and energy systems and our organs and cells absorb the sunlight and the rays of the sun and they use those rays to convert them into energy and information. So today we will focus on journeying into the sun and use the rays of the sun to generate a vortex for you. You've noticed that in most of my journeys, or almost in all my journeys, I take you through a grounding with the earth and bring down the rays of the sun and creating that vortex for you. So as you begin to play with the energies and practice, you will automatically give yourself a boost. Then when you time to time tune into the sun more, be in the sunlight and run the solar vortex, or journey into the sun and run the solar vortex, you can infuse more of the solar energies within you. Imagine this is like charging your batteries. The way you would charge your phone or computer with sunlight, you are charging your system. In many major cities, a lot of times people don't get enough sunlight these days. And in many different parts of the world, there is less sunlight. So it is important for us to connect as much as we can and as often as we can. Now, even if you cannot go out into the sun, even if you have sunlight coming in through the windows, extend your hands and focus on tuning into the rays of the sun and allow your hands and the cells to absorb sunlight. Now, if you can face the sun for a little bit or have the sunlight enter through your crown for a little bit, every day or often, do that. So that will actually help you charge your system. It is important for us to do that. Okay, so it also helps us to raise our vibration. And if you're familiar with the chakras, the meridians, the energy system, then you will give those systems a big boost with solar energies. Let's begin our journey and processing today. Gently close your eyes. Focus on your heart and begin to breathe in and out. Let's bring up spiraling earth energies from the center of earth and allow those energies to come up through your lower chakras and your feet for grounding. Let's bring down the spiraling rays of the sun through your higher chakras and your crown. You are inside a vortex between the earth and the sun. Allow the energies to gradually spiral through you and notice your sensations. Let's now journey toward the sun. Imagine yourself approaching the sun and notice yourself getting closer to the sun. Notice the solar flares. Notice the sounds coming from the sun. Let's bring solar energies through you and allow the energies to spiral through your chakras in the meridians. Notice a gentle vortex of the solar rays. Notice how they are interacting with you. They're spiraling through you and moving in and out of your body. Allow the energies to get even stronger. Simply let go of all of your agendas and tune into the solar vortex. Focus on recharging yourself, recharging your body, and recharging your energy. Continue to breathe in and out deeply and gently. I will now use the holographic healing gloves to have the spiraling energies flow through your chakras up and down, and also through your meridians. Simply notice your sensations. Allow the energies to harmonize for you. Let's breathe in and out deeply and gently a few more times. Let's journey back to Earth and your present moment. Rub your hands together and gently open your eyes. Welcome back. The solar vortex felt very nourishing. So time to time, or when you are in the sun especially, think about this vortex. Think about the rays of the sun spiraling through every cell of your body, through all of your organs, through all of your cells. Be in this vortex mentally and through your feelings. Notice your sensations. Then notice what you see in your mind. Notice what you hear. Notice what you smell. Then notice what you taste. By playing with these energies this way, you will fine tune your senses more so you can actually detect the flow of energy more, and you can also begin to train yourself to notice the difference between different types of energy and information, different stars, different planets, and more. Yeah. So let's continue to play with these energies throughout the day. Continue to give yourself a boost, and time to time, when you are in the sun, do remember that you are charging yourself. You are charging your battery, your solar battery. You are charging your chakras and meridians. You are charging your organs. So focus on it. In your mind, you can picture the little charge battery going up percent by percent, and then it's at 100% after a few minutes or 5 minutes. That's it will just make it fun for your system. So thank you very much for joining. Wishing you a lot of magic, and let's continue to play and explore.